What's up, Benji? Oh, we made it! We're in the Wrangler with the canopy! We're bringing Bertha for a ride. Let's go. And the whole fam's riding with us now! Don't poop on me. Oh, you just pooped on my hand. Oh, it just pooped in my hand. What's up, guys? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct. And today I just want to show you something that I think is awesome. That's the super handy Wagon, aka tow cart. It's an accessory for the Tugger scooter, not made for the Wrangler, but I rigged it up. It's very easy to do because there's a bumper guard on the back, and I just attached it to the bumper guard. I love taking my daughter and Benji for a ride on this thing, and I use it all the time around the property to do things like, exactly, we take the chicken feed. This thing can hold like up to 1,000 pounds, no problem. I think it can tow like 2,000 pounds, but I haven't tested that. I did put like 10 bags of concrete, 50 pounds each, so that was like about 1,000 pounds. No problem with the Tugger, and the Tugger has a way smaller motor than the Wrangler. The Wrangler actually has 2 motors. This thing is awesome. We've got tons of in-depth review videos for it, showing you what it's like with the canopy, without the canopy. I use it all the time. It's my personal scooter. Now, if you want to learn more about this product or any of our products, make sure you claim a copy of our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. To claim a copy, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the short form, and you'll get one in the mail. It's that easy. You could also just call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts. They're not pushy. They're just here to recommend a product that suits your needs and, most importantly, your budget. So give them a call, give them your address by phone, and they'll process that request for you. Again, this is the Wrangler 2 by Baja Mobility, aka Pride Mobility. I'll put the link to see the in-depth review videos of this product in the top right-hand corner of the screen. I highly recommend you check them out. I torture this thing. I mean, seriously, I've hooked up my John boat to this thing and put it in my pond. I've towed a truck. I do all sorts of things that probably are going to get me a cease and desist letter by the manufacturer soon, but that's okay. We're having fun. And she's having fun. All right, folks. Now, I do have to tell you, you shouldn't try this at home. It's not recommended. It can void your warranty, but I'm doing it. I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't condone it. Mobility Direct does not condone this type of behavior, modification, because, again, it can void your warranty. Shh. Anyway, did you know that part of every sale goes towards funding our mission to give back to the disabled community? That's right, folks. We give back by giving away mobility scooters and electric wheelchairs to people in need all the time. A lot of the time we document it with video cameras. If you want to check out those heartfelt moments, check out our YouTube video playlist. We've got tons of giveaway videos. And if you want to be part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct. Tell someone you know who needs a mobility scooter about Mobility Direct on YouTube. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility scooter at a time. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching this short video. Until next time, have a great day. Stay, Benji. All right, ready? Stop.